Hello children, today I am going to teach you about science lesson 1 for the student of class 8, and our first lesson name is crop production and management. Crop production and management. What is a crop production and management? At first we will discuss about crop production and management. At first, what is a crop? What is a crop? The large number of plant growing in a particular season into the particular area is known as the crops. A large number of plants grown into the particular season into the particular plant is known as the crops. Crops is a growing part of plants which grow in a particular season within a particular area is known as a crop, and it is very important to product and also manage to it, because if we product it very hardly, then we should manage also it. So further, crops are divided into two forms: Kharif crops, Rabi crops. Kharif crops and Rabi crops. Kharif crops planted into the rainy season in the month of June is and harvested into the month of October is known as the Kharif crops. Rabi crops planted in the month of November and harvested into the month of March is known as the Rabi crop. The example of Kharif crops: rice, soya bean, cotton, known as the Kharif crops, and Rabi crops: pulses, wheat, oil is known as the Rabi crops. At first, agriculture are very important, which is related to the crop production and management. What is agriculture? Agriculture is a branch of science in which we studies about growing new plants and rearing animals is known as the agriculture. It is a practice of science. It is a studies of science. It means agriculture is a branch of science in which growing new plants and rearing animals included in this branch. Agriculture depends to their practices. So we can say that agriculture is a practice of science, because agriculture related to the practice. Agriculture is related to the agriculture practices. At first, some practices are included when we product crop and manage crop. First, soil preparation, sowing seed, adding manure, irrigation, crop production, harvesting and storage. They are the practices of agriculture. At first, soil preparation. Soil preparation is that practice of agriculture in which soils are prepared before the growing plants to eat. At first, soil is prepared by two methods. Which method? Two methods: ploughing and leveling. Ploughing and leveling is true method by which we can prepare to the soil. How? At first we will discuss about ploughing. What is a ploughing? A triangular strips are used to loosening to the soil is known as the soil ploughing. A triangular strip which you can see in your tractor which are used in ploughing. A triangular strip are used for the loosening of soil, because our first the layer of our top layer of the soil, the top soil is become very hard due to our natural climate. So before the sowing seed, before the growing plants, we should be prepared to the soil. Ploughing and leveling process. Ploughing is a that process by which a triangular strip are used to make to the soil, make to the losing soil is known as the ploughing. And leveling, level, maintain करना. Leveling is a that process in which after ploughing, if a bigger rock are present, a bigger rock are maintained, it means broken down. That process is known as the leveling process. Leveling process is that process after, which take place after ploughing, not before. Leveling used after ploughing, and when after ploughing, when some soils are bigger, then leveling are used for maintain the all particles of the soil. Okay. And our next practice of agriculture is sowing seed. Sowing seed, selection of seed. Before the growing any plants, we should need to selection of the best quality of seeds. And in this process, we can select the best quality of the seed. In this process is known as the sowing seed. It means selection of the seed. Adding manure. After selection of the seed, after preparation of the soil, we should be need to adding manure and fertilizer. At first, we will discuss about manure and fertilizer. What is fertilizer and what is manure? Fertilizer and manure. See, fertilizer is prepared by industries. It is prepared by industries, but they are prepared by the waste of animals and plants. After dead and decaying plants and animals are used in the form of manure is known as the adding manure. So fertilizer is made by industries and manure is made by waste and plants, the waste of plants and animals. Next, it is made of chemical. It is made of chemical. Fertilizer containing different types of chemical, but in manure there is no harmful chemical. There is no harmful chemical into the manure. It is a form of waste plant or animal, not amount of chemical. Fertilizer is very rich nutrients. In fertilizer there are many nutrients included in this, but manure is less rich nutrients. It means fertilizer is high rich nutrients present in this, but manure is in manure less nutrients are present. Fertilizer provide less amount of humus. Fertilizer provide less amount of humus, but manure provide large amount of use. The difference between fertilizer and manure we will discuss. After adding manure and fertilizer, we will discuss about irrigation. Irrigation, plant that process in which a fixed amount of water are provided to the plant is known as the irrigation. Irrigation is that agriculture practice in which water are a proper amount of water, a fixed amount of water supplied to the plant, because plants are also necessary for growing to the plant water. So irrigation is that process in which water are supplied to the crop. This is the also called agriculture practice. Crop protection. After this process, we should need to care to the protect to the crop. How? Using some pesticides and using some weedicide, we will protect the crops such as 2,4-D as our weedicide, and some extra pesticides are also used to protect the crop protection. And after crop protection, we will discuss about harvesting. When a plant is ready to cut, and after dried, a plant are cut down. This process is called harvesting. And after harvesting, we will study about storage. Storage is that process in which plants are stored for the future use, is known as the storage. And our last part, food from animals. This is our crop which are provided by the plants, and our sources of food is known as the animals. And food from animals, rearing animals on a large scale is known as the animal husbandries. And also we can obtain food by the animals. So we can say that animals and plants both are our sources of the food. Okay, thus our lesson is going to be end, and in my next video I will teach you about lesson 2. Thank you.